Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can quickly create a WordPress website fast. Okay, in the shortest speed, you can create a full WordPress website. Either it's for your own business or whether you are creating website for clients or for other businesses. So, for example, you can quickly set up and create this kind of website, which is an online store, and you can start putting in products to sell. Or you can create a website like this, which is more for health or wellness coach, that you can get people to attend or get your coaching as well. Or you can create a website like this so that you can showcase your skills or your portfolio. So we are going to use the theme known as Azure theme, and all these three themes are free themes that you can install and set it up as quickly as possible. So before I show you how you can create a website fast using templates, I want to just share with you a web hosting that I recommend, because in order to have a website online, you need to have a web hosting provider. So I will strongly recommend you to use Cloudways, because Cloudways is also the web hosting provider that I use. There are three main reasons why I use Cloudways. Number one is because they don't have pricing shock. So the pricing is very transparent and consistent. So every month, if you are opt for their cheapest plan, it's only $14 per month. So unlike other companies, for example, if you take a look at GoDaddy hosting plan, and when you scroll down, although they charge you only $8 per month, this is only for the first year. And after first year, they will revert to their normal pricing, which is $16 per month after that. So this is their regular pricing. So I always prefer Cloudways because their pricing is very transparent and they don't increase their pricing after first year or second year. So I just keep paying this $14 every month. And the second reason is because Cloudways, they are using cloud hosting. So I don't have any other website that's using these resources. So on my server, only my website are using this one core processor and 1 gig RAM. Unlike other shared hosting, so sometimes this is also the reason when you are using shared hosting, you will find that your website will load slowly at times. And the final reason is because this Cloudways has a lot of very good features like free SSL certificates and free Object Cache Pro and built-in firewall. And I like one of their best features is in terms of this one, the malware protection add-on, which means they can help to clean up your malware for only like $2 per month if your website ever infected by malware. But if you were to host your website with any other popular web hosting companies out there, they will charge you like $200, $300 to clean up malware for you. So that's why I prefer Cloudways hosting. Okay, so now let's go back to my WordPress website. So I've installed a new WordPress website in my server. So I'm going to share with you how you can quickly create WordPress website using templates. Okay, so I'm going to log into the dashboard and go to Appearance, Themes, and add a theme. And we are going to add Azure theme. So type in Azure, and this is the theme. So click Install. And you can also activate the theme if you want to. So after it has been installed, click Activate. After it has been activated, we can go to Plugin and add a new plugin and search for the plugin called Starter Templates. So this is the plugin. Click Install now. So we need this starter template to import demo content for the templates that we are using. so that you can have the full website and you can just edit from there. So this has proven to be one of the fastest way for me to create websites either for clients or for any of my other business website. So after you have activated the plugin, just click Get Started over here. So once you click on Get Started, choose Classic Starter Templates and you can choose the block editor. And over here, you can scroll down and choose the template that you want to install. So notice that those tabs with premium, it means that you need to upgrade the extra theme to pro version that you can install. If not, you can just install those free ones. So for example, this one is the one that I showed you just now. And when you scroll down further, you can find even more other templates that you can use for any type of your business. So for example, I choose this template. So I just click and you can choose the font. Notice that if I click on the different font, the font will change instantly. Or I can choose a different color, then it will show me a different color as well. So from here, if you are satisfied with the color and the font, you can click continue. And normally I will leave this as default and then scroll down and click continue and enter your name and email and you can click understand and let's go. Start and build your website. So after a few minutes, your website will be ready. Okay, so after a minute or two, when it's ready, you can click on view your website and now it shows me this is my website with all the demo content. So if I need to make any changes, I just need to click on edit page and I can edit any part of the content as I wish. Okay, so using the Gutenberg editor, if you have watched some of my video, then you will be very familiar of how it works. You can just click on any part of the website to change either the image or the wording. So it's very, very straightforward. So I just want to share with you that by using templates, it is the fastest way to create a WordPress website. So instead of just designing or creating a WordPress website, using the standard or a blank template. So this extra theme is one of my favorite starter templates to use whenever I need to create a professional looking websites. So if you have any questions regarding this video or extra themes, feel free to post your questions below. I thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.